Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how you can set your YouTube theme into dark mode or in a black mode. If you want to switch your YouTube theme light to dark or dark to light, watch this video. I know everyone has their own type of interest. I have already switched into dark mode because I like this theme. So let's start how you can do this. There are very simple and easy step. Just go to your profile here on the top right corner. Scroll down a little bit, you will find a setting option here. Just click on this. Now on the third row appearance, sorry, on the first one general. Now on the third row appearance, select on this. Here we go. There are three types of themes YouTube providing. Switch to dark mode if you are already in a light mode. As I'm already in dark mode, I will select to light theme for you guys to make you understand how you can switch anytime. So here we go. It's done. Now the theme is in light mode. I hope you guys like this video. If you are new on my channel, hit the subscribe button and bell icon. See you soon.